Hello everyone, welcome to Java with MNK. Let's build better, grow together. In this video, we're going to talk about what are variables and data types in Java. Let's imagine you are in a library. You see shelves labeled with fiction, non-fiction, science, and history. Each shelf containing books of a specific category. So the librarian needs a way to store and organize these kind of information, like total number of books available in the library and whether the book is available or not, what is the title of the book. If you see, these are different types of data, like number of books can be an integer, book is available or not can be a boolean value which holds true or false, title of the book can be a string. Let's understand what are variables in Java. In Java, a variable is like a labeled box or a placeholder where you can store data. So let's understand the syntax. In Java, how we declare our variables. So it basically goes like this. The data type, variable name, and the value. Data type can be what type of value you want to store in this variable. So let's take an example of age of a person. So age of a person is type number. So that is why we are storing it as data type as int. So let's take an example of how to store the name of a person. We can store it as string because the data type string hold text type data. So that's why the data type is string, variable name is name, value can be mnk. It should go under two double quotes. Let's talk about what are different data types. Nothing but what kind of data you want to store. In Java, there are two types of data types. One is primitive data types, which store simple values which are predefined by language. Other one is non-primitive data types that store complex values. In primitive data types, we have int, double, char, and boolean. Int can store integer value, double can store floating value, char can store a single character, boolean can store true or false. In non-primitive data types, there is string, so which is used to store a text value. There are some other non-primitive data types, but we will know them when we use them. Let's open our IDE and write some code to declare this variable and print them. So I'll go to src folder, new Java class, library. I'll name the class name. So public class library. Let's create a main method. We can do it using public static void main or use the shortcut. And now our class is ready, our main method is ready. Let's declare the our data types. So the syntax is data type and the variable name assign the value. So this is our syntax, right? In the example of library, there can be like number of books it has, what is the price, whether it's available or not, the title. So for each of them, we will create a separate data type. So to store number of books in the library, we can use something called int. So book count equal to, let's say, some 80 books we have. We can store the price of a book in double data type, double price of book equal to some 450.85. So whether the book is available or not, we can use a boolean. So is available equal to true. Title, we can store it in a non-primitive data type. Title of the book equal to learn Java. Cool. Let's print this. To do that, we have to use sout system.out.println books equal to plus book count. Let's duplicate this. You can use Control D to duplicate these lines. Next, we have price of the book. Next, we have is available boolean, title of the book. To run our program, we can use Control Shift F10 or we can use this play button. Cool. We see our books, price of the book is available, title of the book. So in this video, we have learned about variables, data types, and their syntax and how to use them and print out to the console. In the next video, we shall learn about operators. Thank you for watching Java with MNK. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding.